Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you really quickly how you can embed videos to your presentations at Google Slides. So let's get started right away. So in the first step, select the slide you would like to embed your video in. And what you want to do next, guys, is head over to YouTube and search for any video you would like to embed. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go with that video here. So what you want to do is simply copy the URL of the given video, copy it by pressing Ctrl C on your keyboard. Head back to your slide here on Google Presentations or Google Slides and click on Insert here at the top. After that, select Video from that drop-down menu and choose YouTube here. After that, paste the URL of the video here in the search bar, press Enter, and below you will see the given video below, so simply left-click on it, and that is going to embed the video into your slide. However, guys, you may do some adjustments. For example, position it here in your slide or resize it manually by holding one of the corners of the video, just like that. And here to the right in the format options, you may also decide or switch from play on click to play on auto so that the video plays automatically whenever you switch to the given slide. There are also a few other options like muting the audio, for example, or selecting a starting point of the video and the ending point, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's basically all you need to know. That's how you embed videos to your presentations on Google Slides. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.